Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Serena B here. Today I'll be sharing with you my October daily kit that I prepared for when I'm working on my October daily for 2018. So I got a new camera. I don't know if you can tell or not. I'm not sure. This is the first video I'm filming with my new Canon G7X. I'm really excited because I have a lot of great things planned for this camera, for my channel, for my business, and beyond. Okay, so let's just get into it. I want to share with you my October daily kit for this year. I went through all of my Halloween stuff, and if you guys want to see my Halloween stash videos, I have two. I will link them down below as well as a card in this video somewhere. And I realized I didn't even show you my Halloween washi tape in those videos, but maybe next year I'll do that. So these are the items that I pulled together from my collection, from my stash. There's more here, you can't really tell, but I'm just gonna show and tell why I picked all these items and explain my reasoning and stuff like that. I just got this tray at a local dollar store. I have one spot left, so I'm not really sure what I'll put there. Maybe some photos when I'm working on my album. So let's just start over here. This first little spot has stickers and tags and just random die cuts and embellishments and stuff like that for my stash. So they're all mixed in here. When I'm done, whatever I don't use, I will be organizing back into their proper little baggies, organized per collection. So I have Beautiful Nights and just some K & Company and just a bunch of random things in here that I pulled out that I want to use. If you guys haven't seen my October daily tips, tricks, and examples video, I will link it down below. I go into detail about October daily and I show you a lot of different examples and tips and tricks because I go through all of my albums and show you the different things I do in my October daily. So I really highly recommend you watch that. It has a lot of information, so I will link it in this video for you guys. So I do explain in that video that it's important to have a kit separated from your other Halloween stuff so that you're ready to go. So here, when I'm working my October daily, if I need some die cuts or some extra decorative elements, I can go in here and I know that I'll find something to use because I already went through everything I had in my collection and decided that these are the items I'm going to want to go to first and want to use in my album. The next little slot has embellishments like enamel dots and stickers. So a bunch of different enamel dots for my stash, different colors. I'm going to be doing spooky pastel as well as like traditional orange and black. I'm going to mix them probably together. So I have different colors in here. I have some die cuts that I cut out. That should be in here, not there. Some black enamel dots, some glittery ones. So they're all in here. I really would love to finish up this pack. Some little eyeballs, and then these little ghosts that I picked up in Amsterdam. They're so cute and I really want to use them for October daily this year. This next little slot here has scraps of paper. So if I ever need like a little piece of paper to embellish or just kind of decorate or layer with a photo, I'll go here first so I can make a bit of a dent in my scraps. I have my Spooky Pastel, my Jeepers Creepers, and my October Nights collections here mixed with Beautiful Nights and other collection scraps from my stash. So when I make a dent in these, I can always restock because I do have a lot of scraps of paper. This next little slot here is for my die cuts, things that I cut out, punched out, and like using my silhouette. So they're all in here. So I have a tree, some tags, this beautiful like little coffin thing. These are just stuff that I cut out last year, honestly. Just stuff that I've had in my stash. Some die cuts from Tim Holtz. Oops. So yeah, little ghosts, pumpkins. So it's all in here. And also like my little punch outs from Martha Stewart right here. So like the black, the pink, stuff like that. Okay, so that's in here. This next section has all my washi tapes. Let me just zoom in a little bit more so you can see. I not only pulled out Halloween, I also pulled out regular everyday washies. A lot of them are black and white. So here are all my glitter washi tapes. These are just black and white ones for my stash. These are some Halloween ones. So this one has silver polka dots. I'm not really sure how to make it focus, so I'm just gonna hold it over here. I'm still really new. This is the first time I use my camera, guys. Alright, so then I have some pink stripe. I don't even know if this is blurry or not. I apologize. Some black. This is from Michael's little skeleton guy. Love it. I have my own pumpkin faces washi tape that I designed. I still have some in my shop if you're interested. And then I have like a skeleton one, black and white striped spider webs. This one's really cool. I got it recently. It's like very spooky pastel because it has pinks and blues and black and white marble kind of effect. I really like that. So I thought This would be really good to use for Halloween as well. I got these two last year at Target. Black hearts, pumpkins, and just a thin stripe washi. I like to include different sizes of washi. Okay, so this side's a little hard to see, so I'm just going to take stuff out as I go. So this holds all of my journaling cards that I want to use. I will be using pocket pages this year again. So a lot of these are for my collection, and this is from Willow Lane. I thought I can use the pink side. So I have a bunch of different cards mixed from different collections, my collections, and just random things here that I'm going to want to use.
Just go through it really quick. This is all designed by me. If you guys want to check out my shop, I'll link it down below. This is actually from my Creepy Xmas, but it works. This is also from Creepy Xmas, and this is from my Love Bites paper collection. This is from Summer Babe, again, Love Bites. So I have some, again, my collections. These are mostly mine that I designed. And then these are some from my stash. And then I have some mixed ones. These are also mine. Anyways, I'm not going to get into it, but if you guys saw something that you liked and you want to know, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll let you know which collection it's from. If it's from mine or another collection that I own. These are little 3x3 cards I thought I might want to use. Sorry, it was a little off here. A little envelope. I like doing stuff like this. I like incorporating envelopes and little cards. So really quickly. So, a bunch of different mixes here.
Then I have just some stickers that didn't fit in with the little sticker section that I might want to use. These are some more papers, just a bit bigger size, card bases, and this is from Hobby Lobby's Stargazer I thought I can use this year. This kind of has a Halloween vibe too. I'm gonna have some more stickers from Michaels. These I got this year. I think they're really cute. And then I have the 2 sticker packs also from Michaels. If you guys want to see a flip through, I'll link my haul video down below. And then these are just some stickers from my stash. I got these this year at Michaels. Some more stickers. I really would like to make a dent in these, so they're all over here. Stickers, embellishments that my friend Serena made. I used one last year and I'm gonna use some again this year. Little skeleton dudes. I love these rhinestone pumpkins. I have the bats as well. I will be going to Disney, so I wanted to use some of these stickers. Little skeletons from Target, some ghost stickers, Little Bee, and then these are from Michaels a while back. Then I have the sticker sheet from Beautiful Nights. I'm really hoping to make a dent in these. I really like this collection as well. It matches perfectly with my Spooky Pastel collection as well. And then in here, I have all of my paper cakes, all of my embellishments that are designed by me for all of my collections. So they're all mixed in here. There's my Spooky Pastel, there's my October Nights, there's my Jeepers Creepers collection. These are all digital collections. If you guys want to see these collections in detail, I'll link my shop down below, as well as the different videos I have on these collections if you guys want to check them out for yourself. But I have all these like cute little conversational hearts. These come from my Spooky Pastel collection. Isn't it so cute? These are just perfect, and there's a lot of them. There's a lot of stuff that I can use here. So now it was a great, instead of mixing it with my other die cuts and stuff from other collections, I thought this is better to have it all in one. I even have some that I printed on vellum. So all of my paper cake stuff is in this little container here. And then I love paper bags. I kind of went a little overboard and pulled a lot of different ones from my stash, but we'll see how many of these I'll use. So these are just from Target. These I got in Norway last year. I have 2 here, but I'll probably just use 1. And then I got these this year. They're really cute. There's like holographic hearts and stars. I don't know if you can pick that up. This is a really cute little pocket from Michaels. This is from Target that I'm gonna make into a pocket. Again, Target. These are from Michaels. They're a couple years old, but they have a new model this year that I think I'm gonna pick up too. This is from IKEA, but it's pink and it's big. It has a nice size. Then I got some different sizes here. A little mini one. This one's also a little bit smaller. It's from Jelly Bean. And then this is just a glassine bag. I might do a layer on like an actual piece of paper with more photos in here, or like do something really cool with this, so stay tuned. And then I have a couple more bags here, and then in here, this one's also from Target. I think it's really cute. I haven't used it yet in my October dailies, so I'm going to want to use it this year. And then this is an adorable glassine bag that I picked up in Norway last year when I went on my European trip. If you guys want to see that haul, I'll link it down below. And last year I wanted to make a shaker pocket with this, put some sequins in there, close it with a little plastic, and then either put a little tab or something to insert it into my album. I didn't get a chance to do that last year, so I'm hoping to do that this year. And now I'm going to show you my papers. So this is my little basket filled with my papers that I'm going to want to use. Again, a mix of collections, a lot of scraps in here. Spooky Pastel, Jeepers Creepers. This is from American Crafts. So a bunch of different sizes and stuff like that. This can technically go in that little scrap section. This too. This too. So I just want to keep the bigger scraps in here that don't fit in that little box. So again, scraps of paper. These are all the papers. I'm going to go to this first before I go into my collection. If there's anything missing that I want to use, I can just go back into my regular Halloween stash and pull some stuff out. These are all my papers designed by me. And this is actual page I didn't get to use last year, so I might want to use it this year in my album. I'm going to store these in a little plastic folder, but I have it at work, so I'm going to bring it home and put that in there. Now I'm going to show you my album. I have a love-hate relationship with this album. This is now my October daily from last year, but this is the one I was going to use originally. I decided to use it for this year because I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff this year for October daily, and this one has a 2-inch spine. This is from Ashley G for Studio Calico, so it's very, very great because I love the size of it. But I don't know what it is. I love the cover because it's black and white, but there's something about it that's been kind of like bothering me. It could be the blue, I'm not sure. So you can see there's still some stuff in here that I put together last year. Again, this is also from last year, from some Happy Meal that I received. I was going to cover it up, and then I forgot I had done this, so I'm just gonna keep it this way. I really like how this looks. This year I will be documenting not only October but the 2 last weeks of September, because I will be traveling to California, meeting up with a friend, and we're doing Halloween Horror Nights September 26th, and then a bunch of other Halloween things. So I'm going to want to document not just October but the last 2 weeks of September as well. So that's why I need an album with a bigger spine. I don't really like the 6 rings in these albums. It's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So again, I have some pages here. I already do have some pockets that I punched holes into. This is a little envelope pocket from Target that I'm going to decorate. This is from Target as well, but I'm not going to keep the bat. I'm just going to like maybe add my day here, or a picture or something, or like a cluster of embellishments, and then the day can go on the inside. And then this is like a page for a layout that I'm going to be working on. And then I have this cute little baggie that I got at Walmart. This is from Target. So you can see I already have bags punched in here and page protectors. So this is my plan for October Daily 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So that is my October Daily prep and my October Daily kit for you guys. I have been on an October Daily binge watching video kick lately. If you guys have a video or a kit or a stash video, please let me know and link to your channel. I'd love to watch it and subscribe and follow along with your October Daily this year. If you are new to my channel, you may not know this, but I do have an October Daily Facebook group where we share Halloween inspiration, your hauls, your pictures, pretty much anything that has to do with Halloween and October Daily prep and albums and stuff like that. So if you guys want to join my October Daily Facebook group, I'll link it down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and you want to follow along with my Halloween adventures in October and my October Daily. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, Serena Be Creative, for more Halloween projects. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay spooky!